I'm showing you guys the top best search feeds for iOS 11 up to 15, 15.1.1. So disclaimer that some of these might not work. Use at your own risk. I'm not responsible for what happens. If I obviously state that it was updated, it should work. Obviously, if I state that it wasn't updated, it probably won't work. You can still try it though. I mean, some of them might still work. It just hasn't been tested. And yeah, even some that work or don't work, if whatever happens, if your device does get rebooted since it being a new jailbreak, I'm not responsible for whatever happens, so use it at your own risk. First week called return YouTube dislikes, and as of November of 2021, YouTube did remove the ability to see the number of dislikes due to the dislike attached. So this week brings back the ability to see dislikes on YouTube videos. So also I want to mention that they do have something called return YouTube dislike for PC. It's an extension for Chrome and other browsers, and this right here allows you to pretty much you go to this website and you guys can add this browser to your PC to depending on what browser you guys are using, and you guys can actually see the YouTube dislikes using this extension. Alright, Discord secure token. Stop Discord from storing tokens and use the default. Next week's called GPS Manager. Configure apps for fake location, any GPS app, so you can also move with a fake joystick. It's great if you're playing any apps or games. And you can change your location or fake location to somewhere that you're actually not. Apple color emoji Unicode 14.0. It's for sports iOS 6 and up. And Unicode 14.0 Apple's in that Apple color emoji font for Emoji Manager. We also have OpenMoji Unicode 14.0, Unicode 14.0 OpenMoji. Also for Emoji Font Manager. So it gives you these emojis right here. Supports iOS 6 and up. Next week's got iPad and supports iOS 9 and up. It gives you full screen, split, and slide over for every app on iPad. Alright, next week's called Doo. It's the perfect lock screen redesign. Supports iOS 14 to 15.9. So alright, we also have watch sounds, and this allows you to change the stock notification sounds and vibrations. Supports iOS 11 to 15.7.2. And like I said, change the stock notification sounds and vibrations or third-party applications to the Apple Watch. You have 11 different kind of watch OS system sounds to choose from. And this is a screenshot of it. Most of the sounds and vibrations are used in regular watch OS. You can actually repurpose them to application you guys like. So these are a list of available sounds, and each sound is paired with its own vibrations. Alright, this feed most likely has not been updated. You can see it supports older iOS versions. This is tested and verified to work on iPhone 4 on iOS 6.1.3. Support iOS 7 8. It's a home screen replacement for your iDevice. Next week's called battery notch and represents battery around the notch. So this supports iOS 11 to 15.7.2. Gives you that cool battery notch effect for notch devices, which is iPhone X up to iPhone 13. And last but not least, we have IPSW, which is iOS macOS Research Swish Army Knife. So yeah, pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.